join me for an Abundance Mudra. What is a mudra? It's a hand gesture you do with your hands. You can channel all of the elements right from your fingers. So the thumb represents your solar energy, thinking of the sun rising and setting. Your first finger is your victorious breath. Your third finger represents the universe. The fourth finger represents the earth, ground it to the earth. And your pinky represents water. So we're going to do the Abundance Mudra. So you're going to activate it with your thumbs, add it to your first finger, and now add your middle finger. Now gently just place your hands on the inside of your knees. You're going to gently close your eyes and practice your victorious breath of breathing in and out the nose. So practice that Abundance Mudra whenever you want to feel connected to food, shelter, water, and then some leftover. Namaste.